Welcome guys, here's a 10-second how to be the best version of yourself tutorial, completely free. Take a fork or your hand, you put some raw liver into it, like this, open your mouth like this, and put that in your mouth like this, and then chew. If your taste buds been slaved for a long time, the taste might not be that good for you yet, but you get used to it. You wanna be your best version? I like the flavor. Classic liver flavor. And that's how you do it. Takes you about 15 seconds to be the best version of yourself. Pretty sick. So some of you guys been asking me, why don't you put some salt on your raw chicken? Why don't you put some spices on your raw chicken? Why don't you do this or that recipe with your raw chicken? Why you eat your raw chicken plain? What the hell is up with them? Fuck out of here with your recipes. I don't even want to pronounce that word because it disgusts me so much. I eat raw chicken how God intended humans to eat raw chicken. In its natural raw chicken form, because that's all you need. That's the best way to eat the raw chicken. I don't wanna ruin the classic chicken flavor, because raw chicken flavor, the most intense, the best chicken flavor there is. Fuck out of here with that cooked chicken. That dry, chewy, cooked chicken. Raw chicken melts in your mouth like a scallop. Just slips in like that. But hey, I happen to be a nutritional genius over here. And I'm a nice guy. And I like to help people. So I understand you still like to eat your food with these things. Need a fork and knife action like a real good slave. You ain't ready to pick your food in your hand and put it like this. Like a real human being. Because that's the best way to eat your food. The Indians got that right. At least they got that right. Because they fucked up so many other things, oh boy. But, because I'm a sweet, sweet gentleman, and I love to help people, I'm gonna give you the top 4. Wait a second, I forgot one thing. The top 4 raw chicken recipes in the whole freaking world, because I'm the world's #1 raw chicken expert. You're looking at it right now. So I'm gonna give you the 4 best raw chicken recipes you could ever imagine. This gonna hit all the taste buds, you're gonna get all the nutrition your body needs, and it's gonna be win-win-win for everybody. So if you're having a hard time doing this, start up with the #1 raw chicken recipe there is. What do you need? Raw chicken, stupid. What else do you need? Big chunk of raw butter. Don't even mention pasteurized butter. Pasteurized butter gonna make your brain pasteurized. So if you wanna be pasteurized mofo, you gotta get that pasteurized butter. But if you wanna be raw, real human being, you go for the raw butter. How God intended you to eat butter. So get a big chunk here, big piece of delicious raw chicken over here, and then let's combine. Big chunk here. And then as big of a bite you can get on raw butter. And then mix a little bit more raw chicken. Man, the flavors are insane. It's like symphony of delicious flavors. Man, that combination hits good. Holy freaking shit. You got that fat, you got that protein, you got that chicken flavor, you got that butter flavor. It's complete food. You get all the nutrition human body needs to build everything it needs. You get that cholesterol, you get that juicy raw chicken. That's the best. Once again, big chunk. And enjoy. That's the number one. You can only do that. You never get bored of that. Because you never get bored on natural food. You don't need no recipes. You don't need this or that combination. That's for people that are malnourished slaves. So next up, number 2. This might be number 1 test was. This, you need salmon roe. Look at that. Beautiful salmon roe. Might be a little harder for some of you to get. Sometimes might be a bit expensive also. So this is that fancy raw chicken recipe, that 5-star delicacy. Maybe not for every day, but then you take a piece of raw chicken like this, and then you dip it like here. Like that. Take a big chunk. Focus, yeah, like that. Big chunk of salmon roe. Then let's go. Hell yeah. How good is life? Life is so beautiful. And then you can get a little bit more salmon roe. That's the best flavor combination. Raw chicken mixed with salmon roe. It's like this, it's love in your mouth and in your tummy. You get those omega-3s. You get that vitamin D a little bit here. Man, that's good. Chicken and salmon always works. That might be the number 1 taste-wise. But it is a bit more expensive. So this for those holidays, those family gatherings. Get a big bowl of salmon roe and just start dipping your raw chicken in there. You're gonna love it. And your body and your brain, your mental, they're gonna love that. So number 1 and number 1 recipe right there. Both amazing. Because why would I give you some shitty ass recipes? That don't make no sense. So next up is an easy one. Because it's all about that raw chicken with this one. All about the raw chicken. Because here we got the classic raw chicken. And we got the OG raw chicken. Raw chicken egg. It's a chicken on chicken. Not crime. Chicken on chicken. Base flavoring. So this one, you're gonna get those early so they don't turn into this one. This one real easy, real cheap also. Just remember to get good quality eggs, good quality raw chicken. We only want chicken that's raised with love and bugs. Chicken eat the bugs, so we don't have to, so we can eat the chickens. So let's test this one out. Maybe do it like this. First the egg. OG raw chicken combined with raw chicken. The egg goes kind of down pretty quickly. So maybe this is not the best way to eat it. Maybe mix the egg a little bit. And then cut the chicken in pieces and mix those together. But while the egg was still in my mouth, the flavor was pretty freaking good. Chicken on chicken works every single time. Raw chicken on raw chicken. I'll get a final one. Number 4. This is for that tummy. To make that good microbiome dance. Those happy dances. It dances happy dances every time you eat raw chicken. But this just levels that up. The microbiome in your tummy, it's gonna be real happy with this one. So get a good piece of raw chicken like this. Then you get raw milk and you ferment the raw milk a week or 2 so it turns to raw kefir, raw fermented milk. And again, fuck out of here with that bastard shit. You don't want to become bastard yourself. You want to be raw, wild human being. So raw chicken, raw kefir, salmon Nutella combined with probiotics, insane amount of good probiotics. It's gonna be a sweet dance party in your tummy, and you're gonna be feeling real happy, and you're gonna be digesting food real good. So let's take a bite of fried chicken. Big bite, and done. Man, that's that sweet and sour flavor. Raw kefir a little bit sour. Raw chicken, so sweet. That's good. That's good. That might be my number 3. That's very good. Then you can do little combos. I mean, I just basically got the best nutrition human being can get with those little recipes and that piece of raw liver. I'm feeling happy as a motherfucker. So let's try a little big combo to finish this off. Big piece of raw chicken. Always good, never gets boring. And then we're a big piece of raw butter. Amazing. Then a little bit raw kefir. Holy shit, this is amazing. Little bit of salmon roll. Am I in heaven? Hallelujah. Holy shit, that was good. That was simply tremendous. You basically can't go wrong with these recipes. Your taste buds gonna love them. Your tummy's gonna love them. Your body's gonna love them. Your brain's gonna love them. And your human spirit is gonna love them. Simple foods, one ingredient foods such as nature intended, but their flavors, amazing. I'm in heaven right now. I feel high on life. Whew. That was amazing. So, there you go. Thank me in the comments. This is what you gotta eat if you wanna become a genius, like here, us in the base sciences and base knowledge. That's what it is all about. Shut up. Nature bless. Namaste, motherfuckers. And see you tomorrow. Have a good one.